Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, central Union County in upstate South Carolina, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Union, or 4 miles northwest of Buffalo, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Union, Monarch Mill, Buffalo, Jonesville, Roseville State Park, Cross Keys, Sedalia, and Croft State Park. A few trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Hail can cause major property damage, especially to vehicles. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Spartanburg, and Union.